You only need 5 simple ingredients to whip up this classic Italian meal.
That sounds easy. It's time to grab a bite with Belkys.
The chef Angelo Kometa serving up Italian cuisine at Osteria in Miami.
Well, Osteria is a typical Italian restaurant. We really want to make just tasty food and very simple food. You just come here and you have to feel at home. That's our goal.
Osteria is located along Biscayne Boulevard in Miami's Mimo neighborhood and offers dishes inspired from all over Italy. You can find pasta, meat, and seafood dishes on the menu, as well as classic Italian desserts. So stop by and check out the dish we're making today. It's another classic, Eggplant Parmigiana. Grab a baking pan and start with a layer of tomato sauce. We've got a recipe for that on our website.
After that, we're gonna add the eggplant.
The eggplant is lightly fried before baking.
You just make it a little bit fried to take out the water of the eggplant.
Next comes another layer of tomato sauce, followed by Parmesan, basil, and mozzarella. Finish with a few more layers of eggplant sauce, Parmesan, and basil, and mozzarella. Now it goes in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. When it's ready, chef adds a little tomato sauce to plate, then tops it with a slice of the eggplant parmigiana. Garnish with Parmesan cheese and basil.
So welcome to Osteria. This is our eggplant parmigiana. Enjoy.
And here's your chance to make the eggplant parmigiana at home. Grab your phone and scan the QR code that you see on your screen. It will take you right to the recipe. Osteria calls itself Mimo's first authentic Italian restaurant, so head out. Check out some of your favorite classic Italian dishes. They're all on the menu there. Live in the Newsplex, I'm Belkys. Bon appetito.